Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be conducting a review and demo of the Kryolan TV stick paint. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, right here I'm just unbagging the contents of a purchase I made from the Kryolan website. I'm just showing you a couple of the items that I received in my package here. It's like 2 booklets here. I have a video that I created that shows you the interior of the booklet, so keep an eye out for that. This is an online workshop sheet, whatever. And this is the foundation itself. Well, right here is, it's like a hair mascara. And again, I have a video about that in the description. I have a link. And this is what this video is about. It's about the foundation. And if you haven't caught or watched my last video where I did a previous foundation, it was 039, and that was based on my Fenty Beauty 440, and it looked a bit too light. So in my contact video that I had with Mr. Pearson, I believe, I also used for my foundation base black opal Carob, and this is supposed to be the match to black opal Carob. So that's what I'm going to show you in the video now. Right now I'm just showing you how much product you get for your purchase. Okay, this is the shade of the foundation that I used in the previous video that was matched to my Fenty 440. And right now I'm just going to show you in comparison to my other foundation and the foundation that I recently purchased. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I'm just showing you here a swatch of with that 039, which is the first foundation that I purchased that was supposed to be comparable to 440 Fenty. And right here, I'm showing you the second foundation of Kryolan stick foundation that I just recently purchased. And I think this is a better match in my opinion. As you can see, it has a lot more depth into the color, and it's a bit more richer. Now this is the foundation this one the V20 is based off of or compared to, and we can see the difference between the two right here. So it's quite a bit of a leap. Okay, and I think I'm more satisfied with this particular shade than I was with the first one, because it looks like it's not even, it's like red but kind of pink. And this one at least is the right as far as like lightness and darkness. I mean this looks a lot better in my opinion. And I'm saying all of that because if you were in my particular shade range, you might could use this particular shade. I'm a cool skin tone, so that's what I've got going on here. Okay, right now I'm going to show you what it looks like when I use the Carob, which is the black opal Carob by itself, so you can see how that particular shade looks on me. It is a bit warmer than my that I've been suggested of the shade I should be using, because I've been online and I've seen that it says that I should be using suede mocha, which is supposed to be cooler than this one, and this is supposed to be a warm tone, but the level is about the same. But I think I prefer this one as opposed to the suede mocha because I've actually tried both of them. I've actually bought all the shades and I've tried them all, and this is what I came up with. As you can see, the black opal is very luminous, and but it gives me coverage and it's easy to blend, and that's what you see me working on right now. Okay, this is what I look like with the black opal, and I'm going to show you what I look like without the black opal. Okay, now I'm going in with the Kryolan TV stick paint foundation in the color V20, and this is supposed to be comparable to the shade on my left side, which is the black opal Carob. And no, I don't know, Carob looks a little bit more yellow based, if I'm not mistaken, as opposed to the V20, which is appearing more red based. And I think it looks a little bit lighter, but it'll actually do, I think, comparatively. We can see how much coverage I'm getting. I'm kind of like spreading the product and I'm tapping it in to make sure I get even coverage. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so I'm just making sure everything is nicely or evenly coated, and we can see what type of coverage we're getting here. Okay, so again, on your left is black opal and Carob, and on the right, which would be Kryolan TV stick paint in the color V20. Okay, right here I realized that I should probably show you what the V20 looks like on one side, so that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so this is the Kryolan TV stick paint in the color V20, and that's going to be on my left side, and you're going to see the comparison between what my natural skin tone looks like, and judge for yourself whether or not it's a good match. I've moisturized my face, so it makes it a lot easier to apply the product, because in my last video I showed you what it looks like if you have no moisturizer on, and it blends pretty good and I like it. Okay, so on the left side is what I look like with the foundation, and on the right is my without foundation. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do the other side and try to blend it just as well as I did on the left side. So we're going to see what it looks like with a full face, and you can see me how well it blends in from me working it through. Okay, so this is what I look like with the foundation thoroughly applied throughout and throughout my entire face. It's like the left side looks like it's set a little bit, and on the right I just applied it, so not much of a difference, but it does look a little bit drier on one side to me. I don't know why. And now I'm going to go in with my Nye NEUTRAL set to set one side, so we can take a look at what it would look like if you would have set it. As you can see, it transfers because my brush is entirely has product on it from foundation. But yeah, it's taking me a minute to kind of set it, but this is what you can expect if you were to use this particular foundation. Okay, so this is the Kryolan TV stick paint in the color V20. This is the unset side, and this is the set side. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.